We want to simplify the given expression. We have the absolute value of 2 minus 4 minus the absolute value of 5 minus 9. Looking at the order of operations, the first step is to simplify within the innermost parentheses or grouping symbols. When we have an expression that contains an absolute value, we treat the absolute value as if it was a set of parentheses. So the first step is to simplify this difference as well as this difference. And if it's helpful, we can write these differences as sums. 2 minus 4 equals 2 plus negative 4, and 5 minus 9 equals 5 plus negative 9. So while it's not required, let's go ahead and show these differences as sums. So we'd have the absolute value of 2 plus negative 4 minus the absolute value of 5 plus negative 9. So whether we leave it as 2 minus 4 or 2 plus negative 4, the sum and difference both equal negative 2. So we have the absolute value of negative 2 minus the absolute value of 5 plus negative 9, or 5 minus 9 equals negative 4. And just to verify these sums, or these differences, let's go ahead and show them on the number line. So for 2 minus 4, 2 plus negative 4, we'd start at 0, we'd go right 2 units to positive 2, and then because we're adding negative 4, subtracting 4 from here, we would go left 4 units, which we can see does give us negative 2. And now let's go ahead and show 5 plus negative 9. So starting at 0, we go right 5 units to positive 5. And then because we're adding negative 9 or subtracting 9, from here we would go left 9 units. So there's 5 units back to 0, and then 4 units more to the left, giving us negative 4. Now we simplify the absolute values. Well, the absolute value of negative 2 equals positive 2, because negative 2 is 2 units from 0, and we have minus the absolute value of negative 4 is equal to positive 4, because negative 4 is 4 units from 0. And our last step is to find this difference, which again, if we prefer, we can write 2 minus 4 as 2 plus negative 4, which we know from before is equal to negative 2. So the given expression simplifies to negative 2, or we can say it has a value of negative 2. I hope you found this helpful.